I'm a startup and I want to build my developer community. What would you recommend me to do in 2024?
So here the playbook doesn't still change much. And if you're a startup, see, I think whenever you're talking about DevRel or like you're talking about press like PR, press relationships or investor relationships, all of these relationships, you kind of like go work out with familiar faces. That's what you do, right? The PR agency would go and work with all the familiar large brands like news media companies to get your story out on those areas, like as big as better, as relevant as better, as correct as better, right? Similarly in DevRel, you go to the communities where developers are hanging out in with respect to your domain. Say, for example, if you are a JavaScript framework based company and it is built on React, you would go to naturally a large JavaScript community. You would go to JSCon. You would go to events. You would go to content places where such content is written. You would work with influencers or people or developer advocates or who are working in this line of business adjacency. You build community from there. You don't go like a lone wolf. Even though you are really better, you do great work, but it is limited into the value. So you try to collaborate as much as possible, and then that's how you could gain popularity. You could gain mind share. So gaining developer mind share is very very important. And in the early stages of the company, until you reach say like very 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 minimal, like there is no count or number I would say, but then at least like you would naturally see a lot of self-serve revenue on your cloud platform or whatever, or some on revenue. Until you see that sort of a thing, I think you should continue to do collaborate and continue to innovate and then share, keep sharing, keep getting developer mindshare.